viewers, we welcome you to today's edition of the news. Before heading to the details, here's a glimpse of the headlines. PM Modi attends All India Conference of Police Chiefs in Bhubaneswar. Vice President Dhankar developed India is achievable by 2047. Union Minister Annapurna Devi reviews schemes in Ri Bhoi district. Eddie G. Kharbani nominated UDP candidate for Umsning constituency. And Nongpo legislator calls for government-run rehabilitation centers to combat drug menace. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Bhubaneswar yesterday evening to attend the All India Conference of Director Generals and Inspector Generals of Police, which is taking place from today till 1st of December. The conference is focusing on critical national security issues including counter-terrorism, left-wing extremism, criminal laws and narcotics, with ongoing discussions on crime control and law enforcement strategies. PM Modi, along with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, is participating in the deliberations, and the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service is also being awarded. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar stated that a developed India is no longer a distant dream, but an achievable goal, addressing the Developed India 2047 vision of New India 3.0 conclave in New Delhi. He highlighted India's growing economy, infrastructure and digital progress, praised by the IMF and World Bank. Dhankar also stressed the importance of transparency, accountability and responsible resource use, urging citizens to embrace vocal for local. He expressed concern over disruptions in Parliament, emphasizing it should remain a space for debate and deliberation, not disturbance.
दुनिया के 50% से ज़्यादा इसमें हमारा सहयोग है। साधारण बात नहीं है। In a nation of 1.4 billion people, such kind of technological penetration, adaptation and accessibility, this reflects vision of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. याद ताजा है क्योंकि आज के दिन मोबाइल सबके हाथ में है। कभी 2 निर्माता हुआ करते थे और हम आयात करते थे। आज 100 से ज्यादा निर्माता हैं, हम निर्यात करते हैं।
Union Minister for Women and Child Development Annapurna Devi visited Ri Bhoi district to review the implementation of central government schemes on child health, early education and livelihoods. She toured key facilities like the Primary Health Centre in Birnihat and Anganwadi Centre in Saidan, Nongpo, engaging with mothers, children and self-help groups. Devi praised Meghalaya's early childhood development mission and the Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood scheme. She assured that efforts would be made to expand the supplementary nutrition program, integrated child development services program to underserved villages. The visit concluded with a review meeting on the progress of these initiatives.
मैम तो सबसे पहले हम लोगों के लिए बहुत सौभाग्य का विषय है। ऐसे आगे बढ़े, एक राउंड ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन होगा या फिर सीधे प्रेजेंटेशन पे चलें?
मिशन है, मिशन के तहत चाहे वो बच्चे हों, महिलाएं हों, उनको बच्चों के जन्म से लेकर कैसे उनको आगे बढ़ाया जा सके। 5-7 डिपार्टमेंट मिला कर ये एक मिशन के तहत काम कर रहा है। ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है और हमें लगता है कि इस स्टेट के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया और ये आने वाले समय के लिए बहुत बेहतर होगा यहाँ राज्य के लिए।
Eddie G. Kharbani was unanimously nominated as the UDP MDC candidate for Umsning constituency in the upcoming MDC election to the KHADC Legislative Council today. The announcement was made during a meeting at Umsning Auditorium Hall, attended by thousands of UDP supporters and key leaders, including Sunshine Makri, President of UDP Umsning constituency. The meeting aimed to reorganize the party in the region and strengthen its presence in the district.
Tiga pemikiran, kami suka parti keba mende keba tak sipor, mereka lagi ke parti ke Melaya yang bawa rupa apa beliau senam kerja. Dia kita kadau yang kami ke parti keba non-naurem. Wala sipor ijingpeng ijingko yang ke parti UDP dan ke parti UDP kadang yang scam harus ini bisni di pemerintah.
Naba Bhattacharjee, president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, has been appointed team manager for the Indian women's cricket team's upcoming tour to Australia. Before his departure, Bhattacharjee visited the Ri Bhoi District Cricket Association ground to wish young players and was honoured by the association. The event was attended by key dignitaries including RBDCA President Rayonald Kharkamni.
Cricket is not an individual game. Individual performance is there, but it's not, and it's also a team game. And I think this is one aspect which you can learn also from the Ri Bhoi District Cricket Association. But Renault and others, they have contributed and sacrificed so much. We have been there together for over 15 years. We have also gone through the hard days. So now you have to commit, work hard. Nothing comes easy. If you want to play for the state first, then maybe for the zone, the country.
Nongpo legislator Miralbon Aim today acknowledged the government's efforts in tackling the drug menace but stressed the need for affordable government-run rehabilitation centres as many private facilities are out of reach for families. Aim shared that he recently met with the Ri Bhoi Deputy Commissioner to discuss the possibility of establishing a rehab centre through corporate social responsibility initiatives. He hopes that a proposal will be sent to corporate houses with plans for the centre to be operational by 2025-26. Aim also mentioned ongoing government inquiries into rehab centres outside the state but noted no concrete information yet.
With the Deputy Commissioner to find ways and means to send a proposal through CSR project to have a rehab center in Ri Bhoi. This matter has been taken up and we have entrusted and instructed the Deputy Commissioner of Ri Bhoi District to send a proposal through CSR in different corporate house, and now it is in a pipeline. And I hope very soon, not within this year, now it's about to end, by 25-26, I hope it will come up and we'll have, it's a one step towards a better tomorrow.
Nongpo MLA Miralbon Aim announced significant progress on the Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road project, which is set to benefit 150 to 200 villages. Aim confirmed that the first phase, covering a 20-kilometer stretch from Nongpo to Umden, has received administrative approval and a sanction of 49.53 crore rupees under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. The tendering process for the second phase from Umden to Sonapur, 38-kilometer, will begin by mid-December. Aim expressed gratitude to the state government and acknowledged the public's eagerness for the road's completion.
With regard to the first part of the project, which is from Nongpo to Umden, 20 kilometers, the state government has accorded administrative approval and sanction for an amount of 49 crore 53 lakh 70,500 rupees, and the length of the road is 20 kilometers. The sanction has been accorded since the month of October, 10th of October 2024, through PMGSY3 batch 1, and for an amount of 47 crore 20 lakh. That is the amount that has been sanctioned. And for the second part, from Umden to Sonapur, the tender also has been called, where most probably by first week of December, they will be awarded to the firm or the contractor who have fulfilled all the criteria.
The Governor's Cup Golf Club Tournament 2024 was inaugurated at Golf Links today, with 102 players from Delhi, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Assam and Meghalaya participating. Organised by the Shillong Club Limited in collaboration with Shillong Golfers Association and IIM Shillong, the event was officially opened by Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar, accompanied by Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck and other dignitaries. Speaking to DD News, Atul Kulkarni, board member of IIM Shillong, emphasized the tournament's role in promoting work-life balance by bringing together corporate leaders and local golfers.
This has been an endeavor of IIM Shillong to invite the corporate leaders from across the country to join the Business Leadership Summit and, as they say, the work-life balance. So beautiful weather here in Shillong and the wonderful golf course that we have gives them a very, very different experience. So this is a golf tournament which is called Governor's Cup. And we have the local golfers from Northeast region and the corporate leaders coming from different parts of the world and different parts of the country.
After over a year of violent unrest, schools and colleges in Manipur have reopened as the situation improves following a major escalation in Imphal. The decision has been welcomed by parents and students, offering a sense of relief amid the ongoing ethnic conflict between Kukis and Meiteis, which have disrupted the state. The fourth game of the FIDE Chess World Championship between India's D. Gukesh and reigning champion Ding Liren ended in a draw yesterday in Singapore, leaving both players with 2 points each. Gukesh had levelled the score at 1.5 to 1.5 in Game 3 with a victory over Liren, who is defending his title. The tournament, which offers a 2.5 million prize, requires a player to reach 7.5 points from 14 games to be crowned champion. This year marks the first time in 138 years that two Asian players are competing for the title. And now the weather report. Minimum temperature was recorded at 9 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 19.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 68%, which increased to 86% in the evening. Forecast: dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. PM Modi attends All India Conference of Police Chiefs in Bhubaneswar. Vice President Dhankar developed India is achievable by 2047. Union Minister Annapurna Devi reviews schemes in Ri Bhoi district. Eddie G. Kharbani nominated UDP candidate for Umsning constituency. And Nongpo legislator calls for government-run rehabilitation centers to combat drug menace. And dear viewers, that's all we have for you in this news bulletin. Until next time, thank you for watching. Good night.